If you keep seeing that annoying switch to youtube.com message every time you go tap a YouTube link, and it either gets stuck inside your browser or refuses to open the YouTube app, there are a few simple steps that usually fix it. These steps work whether the link keeps looping, refusing to open the app, or sending you to the wrong place. Start by opening your phone settings. Scroll through your apps list and find the YouTube app. Once you open its settings page, look for the option called Open by Default. Inside that section, make sure the setting is configured to open supported links in the app. If yours is set to Ask Every Time, Don't Allow, or anything similar, that's often the main reason your phone keeps directing links incorrectly or showing the switch message. Next, go back to your apps list and look for the browser you normally use, such as Chrome, Samsung Internet, Firefox, or any other browser installed on your device. Open its settings page, tap Open by Default, and then select Clear Defaults. This step tells your device to stop forcing YouTube links to open inside your browser when the YouTube app is available. If that still doesn't fix it, open the Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube. Check if there's an update. Sometimes a small update fixes link handling bugs. If there's no update available or the issue continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This resets the app's internal link behavior and clears out glitches. If the issue still remains, restart your phone. You can also sign out of your Google account inside the YouTube app and sign back in. Testing the link in a different browser can also help identify whether the problem is tied to one specific browser or your device settings. After going through these steps, YouTube links should open the correct way without showing the switch to youtube.com message.